Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think it looks like a possible end of a correction here. If it is an end of a correction, then it cannot break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, but instead it needs to eventually start to go down and take out some of these lows down here. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So far we don't really have a break of structure to the upside, telling us that this is not possibly the end of a correction. And really, so far, it still looks like it may end up going down. Now, this to me almost looks like a possible A and a possible B right here. Like this is an A, B, C possibly. So it does kind of look like maybe we could get another leg up. Maybe it could even go up into these highs. But as long as it doesn't take out this high right here, we are technically still possibly in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So anything you see to the upside, you still have to look at as possibly just being a pullback within the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.